Hi guys, chipping them today, RSPCA, spent 50p. And what did I buy? One of my favourites, a wind up bath time toy. I noticed it's got those triangular screw heads in there. I think I've got a screwdriver that'll do that. So we'll have a quick look inside and then we'll see if it actually works in the water. Right, I'm hoping this screwdriver will work. It's one I modified a while ago to be a triangular head. Oh, they're a bit bigger than this one, that's annoying. Okay, I'll have to have a look, see if I can find another one. Right, I ended up having to grind down one of my Poundland tips to a triangle. So now we should be okay. I'll just see if I can lock the focus. Right, that should be locked. Trying to get clever with this camera nowadays. There we go, you can see the triangular heads now. Okay, does he want to come apart? I do hope he's not glued. That would be annoying. A nasty feeling he is. Well, that's annoying. I'm taking the time to actually make a nice triangular drive screwdriver. Right, I'll just have a little fiddle off screen, see if I can move it. Well, they've made it Grandad proof, or at least gentle Grandad proof. It does not want to come apart, even though I've taken the screws out, so I think they've glued it around the edges. So what we'll do is we'll see if it works. If it works, then I'll leave it alone. If it doesn't work, I'll be a bit more robust in my attempts to split it apart. In the kitchen sink, I've been playing with him for quite a while now. Initially I was just winding him up and laying on top of the water, and he went for a little while. But now he seems to go for longer if I fill him with water. I think what's happening, each time I use it, it's probably got congealed soap or whatever in it from where it's been used as a bath time toy. And I think every time I wind it up and run it, that's slowly being dissolved. And it goes for a little bit longer each time. If I'd been able to get it apart, I might have been able to clean it a bit. I don't know if there's any suitable sort of grease or anything I could put on it. But he's certainly working. Probably not as fast as he did when he was brand new. But he works. I don't want to break it trying to force it apart, so I think we'll leave it like that. Put it up in the bathroom for when my grandsons come and visit and need a bath. Out of the water, goes fine. But not so good in the water. That'll do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.